So I'll be showing you how to close or quit apps on your Nintendo Switch. So let's say you're playing a game. For instance, I was playing this game. And I exited that. But you'll notice it says playing because the game has not been closed. So what you want to see, or what you want to do is go and select the game you want to quit or close from the homepage. So for instance, if I want to close this one, I'll make sure it's selected, and then I'll select close software. So I can either tap here if I have the touchscreen on Nintendo Switch, or press X because it coincides with X. So whichever way, if I select that, it's gonna prompt me to close the app, and I can just confirm by closing. And now you can see it no longer says playing. That is basically how to close or quit apps and games on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.